Solitaire Cash does not guarantee a fixed weekly income because rewards depend on gameplay results, available contests, and how consistently you play. By the end, you'll know how Solitaire Cash earnings work, what affects your weekly results, and how to judge whether the app is worth your time. Solitaire Cash is a mobile card game where players compete in solitaire-style contests for rewards. The amount you receive can change because your results depend on your performance in each game and the types of contests you enter. The first thing to track is your actual activity. Write down how many games you play, how long each session takes, and what rewards you receive. This gives you a realistic view of your own experience instead of relying only on the amounts displayed inside the app. The second thing to check is how the contest system affects your results. Some players may perform differently depending on their familiarity with Solitaire, their strategy, and how carefully they manage each game. Winning consistently requires understanding the rules, making fewer mistakes, and choosing contests that match your skill level. Your time commitment also matters. A reward app can feel different depending on whether you play for entertainment or only for the possibility of earning rewards. If you already enjoy solitaire games, the experience may provide entertainment value alongside the reward system. If your main goal is earning, compare the effort required with the results you receive. A simple weekly review can show whether the app fits your expectations. Check 3 things after playing: the total time spent, the rewards received, and whether the experience feels worthwhile for you. Another factor is understanding withdrawal and account requirements before spending too much time playing. Review the app's current rules and make sure you understand how rewards are processed. Solitaire Cash can be a good fit for people who enjoy skill-based card games and want a reward-based experience, but your results will depend on your own gameplay and the conditions of the contests you enter. The main points are simple. Solitaire Cash earnings vary between players. Your results depend on performance and participation, and tracking your own activity is the best way to understand your weekly outcome. Your next step is to play a few sessions, record your results, and compare the time you spend with the rewards you receive. If this guide helped you understand Solitaire Cash better, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews and practical earning guides.